Hey child, welcome back to my channel. Honey, look at me coming with another hair video. Is the natural hair guru back? No, I'm not. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm back at the gym or whatever, but I felt like before I put my hair in a protective style, aka a wig, I felt like I deserved to give my natural hair boos a video. And so something I've been thinking about doing for a while, I figured now was a good time because I'm genuinely curious and I think some of y'all might be too. And that is revisiting Kaleidoscope. Okay, so look, I did a video featuring Kaleidoscope products 2 years ago. No, it was 3 years ago almost. And it caused a little shaking of the table with some people, and I understand, but at the same time, in that video, I was not meaning to be mean-spirited or throw personal jabs. It was never that. It was all business because a lot of people do honestly trust my opinion before they invest their money, and I wanted to give them my real experience. So you can go watch the video for yourself if you're not familiar, but I'll sum it up here. Number one, the ingredients on the website that I looked at before I made the purchase, they did not match what came on the packaging when it came to my front door. And so I contacted the company. I was like, hey, what's going on? What am I putting in my head? And they said it's the exact same ingredient list, just the scientific name. But when you do your simple Googles, okay, I'm not a cosmetologist, I'm not a cosmetic chemist, but I am someone who know how to use the internet. And you go line for line, bar for bar, they was not the same thing. It just wasn't. It just wasn't. So that was issue number one. I didn't know what I was putting in my head. Number two, again, I'm not a cosmetologist, but I know a little bit about essential oils. And before you apply that to your skin, you need a carrier oil. So in the box that I got, I had a bottle of Miracle Drops, and it had essential oil, but it had no carrier oil, and I was scared to use it because I thought it might irritate my scalp, so I did not use it. Number three, the preservative that they use is pretty standard, but at the same time, like kind of like methylparabens and just like other things that might be in small doses, it's okay, but when you think about it over time, you're like, I don't really want to use that. And so the preservative that they use, it was known to be a formaldehyde releasing agent, and I just did not want that. Even if it was in a small micro dose, I don't want no dose. And so for that reason, in the video, I only used the milkshake leave-in. And so I was accused of being mean-spirited, messy, turned down a black business, and it was never that. It was never on anything personal. I just wanted to tell y'all my truth. And it's, you know, I understand those who didn't like it, but listen, I'm just here to serve the people what I believe to be the truth from my experience. And so the thing that I do also want to say from my experience is, in the beauty industry, a lot of other businesses get time after time and chance after chance to mess up, do racist stuff, do all kind of crazy stuff, and they still get another chance and people still support them. And I don't want to be someone who has a misstep with a black business and then you end up throwing it away. It's never that serious. And so I said I wanted to give Kaleidoscope another chance, and that is what we're gonna do in this video. I know I've been talking for a long time, but I wanted to give y'all the backstory of why I was a little bit nervous to post this, because I don't want people thinking, oh, she being shady, or it's never on nothing messy. I really just wanted to be honest, and I'm still gonna be honest in this video, but I'm really excited because I feel like she's had time to grow. She's grown her brand, and I feel like this might be good. At least that's what I'm hoping. So in this video, I am using shampoo with a mac and cream, child, whatever, it's the shampoo. I have a cranberry deep conditioner. That packaging is real cute. And then last but not least, I'm going to style my hair with the Miracle Drops styling foam. When it comes to foams, yes, I can use a leave-in under it, but honestly, I get a better result with my styling of my hair when I don't use a leave-in, so I chose not to. So in this video, we're gonna get to 3 products, see how it works for my hair, and yeah, let's get down into it. Let's pray, church. You know, okay, I don't need nobody trolling me in my comment section. I promise you I ain't mean. I'm just trying to be honest. All right, so after a lot of talking, let's get into these products. So again, I do have 2 products from the Sulfate collection, 1 product from the Miracle Drop collection. For this shampoo, this is the Mac and Clean sulfate free shampoo. As far as the ingredients, no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, or animal testing. I do think that the Yuka app is a little sensationalized. Sometimes they flag stuff that shouldn't be. And so on the Yuka app, they did flag 1 preservative. It is, I think it's phenoxyethanol. As far as the ingredients go, I'm cool with this, but you know, do your own research, make sure you know it worked for you. So this is the shampoo right here. I got way too much. That is so unnecessary. As far as cleansers go, I am not, oh, I like this. We'll see though. But I'm not very particular about a cleanser. Just clean my hair without like making it feel like straw. For the smell is really nice. If you are sensitive though, this got perfume in it. I just want to let you know. So let me do my 2 shampoos. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know how it feels. But so far, I can rock with this. And we are back, baby. I'm giving all the wet poodle vibes. But let me say this. very cleansing, but my hair doesn't feel stripped, if that makes sense. Like as I was rinsing it out, I was like, okay, yeah, I can definitely feel my hair is clean, like squeaky clean, but it doesn't feel like matted together or harder to detangle. So I do actually really like this shampoo, but I will say heavily scented. If you are scent sensitive, or if you look pregnant, I ain't gonna be none of that in no time soon, but if you are pregnant, you might have some issues with the perfume. But other than that, that's a cool little shampoo. Now let's get into this. This is the Sulfate Feed Your Head and Soul Cranberry Deep Conditioner. This product is no paraben, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, or animal testing. I did not see silicones of the ingredients, but you do your Googles. Why is it pink? Okay, I guess because it's cranberry. Child, that threw me off. Is this picking up? Child, that's pink. Okay. This is, I don't know why this color's throwing me off real hard. So let's put this on. Upon applying it, it feels slippery to the mug. But of course, the final verdict will be after I rinse it out. Ooh, scented. Child, Judy, listen. I love me some smell good too. I got a real nice perfume collection, but the scents, let's some people can't handle all that. All right, let's bring it down just a little bit. Smell good now. Don't get me wrong, it smell good, but child, you went, you definitely added some scent. Okay, on my hair already, it feel good. The instructions say leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, but if you want a deep treatment, do the traditional thing of putting on a cap and some heat. I am going to do that. I am going to put a cap on, get under my dryer, and let this sit for a good 15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all see what the hair is looking like. But so far I feel like it might be cool. It's just scented. Chat, listen, it's scented. Hi, as we are back, I have detangled and sectioned off my hair, and this is what I have to say about this particular deep conditioner. Very nice moisture, very softening. The only thing that I would change about it is, number one, it is very scented. Again, those that are scent sensitive, you might have a little issue with that. And number two, it didn't give me enough slip. It had some slip in there, but I need a little bit more just to make detangling easier for me. So I do like it, but I don't love it just because I need a little bit more slip to tangle. Listen, this needs some help. Child, a girl like me, we need a little bit of slip to help make this detangling a little easier. So yeah, that's the only thing I would change. Now let's get into the last product, which is the Miracle Drops Styling Foam. Same thing about the whole no paraben, sulfates, all that other good stuff. So I honestly want to do a twist out with this because I think that would make it shine bright, shine far, don't be shy, be a star. If you know that song, you my friend in real life. Anyway, I feel like this would be best for a twist out, but because I'm running on limited amounts of time and limited amounts of patience, we're gonna do a good old wash and go, amen. And I'm going to do raking and smoothing until I feel my spirit say stop. Wait a minute. Y'all see? Yeah. Wait. Okay. All right, Judy. We might be on to something. And this is what it is looking like. And so far, I think I can rock with it. And I'm gonna go on this other side and do that too. Just smooth it on there, and child, I feel like a foamy mess right now, just bubbles everywhere. I'm pretty much, that's gonna be my method all over the place. Of course, the smaller the section, the better. I'm just kind of rushing a little bit, child. So anyway, I'm gonna take this, put this all over, do the rake and smooth. Let me go ahead and do that everywhere, and I'm gonna come back and let you see what it's like once the product is applied to all of my strands. All right, so the styling foam is completely applied, and this is what it's looking like. I can tell by the ends, like it looks a little promising. So what I'm going to do to really test it is I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer until my hair is dry, and before I do any separating or fluffing or picking or anything like that, I'm gonna show y'all my hair, and then I'll come back with the final result. So be right back. Okay, so real quick, my hair is dry everywhere except for the roots, so I'm going to get a diffuser, dry my roots. I'm gonna pick and fluff and shape and all of that, but I wanted y'all to see what my hair looks like when it is untouched. Let me go ahead and fix it, and I'll be back. So my hair is now complete, and we have thoughts. Okay, so let me just wrap this up. This shampoo, it cleanses my hair. It got it really clean without stripping it, so I do like it. It's very strong as far as the perfume goes, but other than that, I really like this shampoo. This conditioner, it gave me moisture, it gave me softness. I needed a little bit more slip, but overall, I do like the conditioner. That would not deter me from using it. But this mousse, this styling foam, This styling foam is some heat. I'm gonna come in closer so y'all can see it. But this is 100% the styling foam. I didn't add no extra product. And look at my hair. For this to be a foam, that is nice. I don't have a single complaint about this here, baby. This thing is heat. So if you wanted to know my thoughts about Kaleidoscope, now you have it. My original encounter with them, I stand by every single thing I said in the video. I don't take nothing back. However, I will say she has grown. The products have improved. This right here, I like. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada. And I ain't turn around. I hope it's cute because I ain't checked the back per usual, but you know, clock your mama, not me. There we go. Yes, I hope it's cute. Yeah, that. All right, and that's it. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye. Oh, let me add this. Since you like perfume so much, Judy, go ahead, give us a hair mist because this actually smells really, really good. I don't have a problem with scent, but other people might, but I'm telling you, I like hair perfume. Go ahead, release one of them and make it smell like this. All right, bye.